Well, many folks depend on smartphone payment apps like Venmo or Cash App to send friends money, pay their rent, and even accept funds as a business. Now, with this option becoming increasingly popular, the IRS is changing the way in which these funds are accounted for on your taxes. Ryan Hermanet joins us now to talk about who may need to file their payment app transactions and how to do so. Ryan, how exactly does this all work?
Well, Izzy, the tax form for this is called a 1099-K, and it's not exactly a brand new concept. The IRS first introduced this new way of claiming third-party payment network transactions in 2023, only sending the form to people who received $20,000 or more through one of these platforms. So in reality, it was originally mostly applicable to businesses. But this filing season, the threshold lowered substantially, and it will continue to drop over the next few years. Now this year, anyone who received $5,000 or more through one of these apps will receive a 1099-K. Looking ahead to the 2025 filing season, the threshold will drop to $2,500, as you can see on your screen. In 2026, $600. Now, by that point, many people who use these apps to split rent, bills, and even send money to friends after going out to dinner over the course of the year will have to include this form on their taxes. Now, after talking with tax expert and partner at Young & Company, Dave Young, he says not all of these transactions are meant to be taxed, despite them being on the form. He shared how those who use these kinds of apps for personal expenses should file the form.
My key thing is you got to know what it's for, and you'll report the income. And then there's another line deeper down on that Schedule 1 where you'll report it as a personal transaction, essentially a subtraction, so money in and money out, so it'll net to zero. The key thing is make sure if you do get this 1099-K, it goes somewhere on your tax return. You can't just ignore it.
Now, when talking with Dave, I asked him what you should do if you've already filed your taxes for the 2024 season and receive a 1099-K in the mail afterwards. He says it's required to amend the return and resubmit it to the IRS. Now, there's a lot more to this form as well, which I'll share with you tonight when you stick with us for News 8 at 11.